Hello students, hope you are doing well. Mining engineering is one of the oldest and most popular courses in engineering for which lakhs of students apply every year. The course is of undergraduate level, which is of a total of 4 years duration. Each year is divided into 2 semesters and the exams are conducted after each semester. There are tons of career opportunities that the candidates can pursue after completing their BTech in mining engineering course. In this video, we'll talk about the important details for the BTech Mining Engineering course such as eligibility, admission process, fees, career prospects, colleges, etc. Before moving forward, let us have a knowledge about BTech Mining Engineering course. Mining engineering is the branch of engineering that deals with the practices, theories, technology, science and application of extraction and processing of mineral resources. The study also includes extraction of rare elements and metals. It is an essential field of engineering as it contributes directly to the economy of the nation. Apart from extracting natural resources, this branch also deals with various mining laws. The students are taught the mining legislation for awareness in this field. BTech in Mining Engineering will cover different aspects that need to be considered while exploring an area for minerals and the mining procedures that will not create an imbalance in the ecological cycle of the area. Mining engineering also imparts education and training regarding surveying, planning, exploration, cost estimation, extraction and processing of metals, minerals and other natural resources that are obtained from the earth. Now let us have a look at some of the important highlights for BTech Mining Engineering course. The name of the course is BTech Mining Engineering. The duration is of 4 years. The minimum eligibility is to pass class 12 with a minimum of 50% marks. Some of the popular entrance exams for the course includes MHT set, KCET, APM set, TSEM set, JEE Main, etc. The admission process is divided into 3 methods. First is through national or state level entrance exam, second through deemed universities entrance exam, and third through direct admission process. The course fee ranges somewhere in between 1 lakh to 2 lakhs per annum depending on the type of institute. The average starting salary of the candidate is somewhere around 2.5 lakhs per annum, which may also go higher depending on the experience and skills of the candidate. Some of the popular career options include mining engineer, mineral explorer, mineral processing engineer, mine planner, etc. Now let us look at the eligibility criteria which the candidates need to fulfill in order to pursue BTech Mining Engineering course. The candidate must have passed class 12 from a recognized board with physics, mathematics and chemistry as the major subjects. That means the candidate must have studied physics and mathematics as the major subjects along with one of the optional subjects as chemistry or biology or biotechnology. The candidate must have a minimum of 45% to 50% of marks in class 12. Now let us look at the admission process for BTech Mining Engineering course. Candidates aspiring to get admission in NITs must clear JEE Main with a minimum of 80 to 90 percentile. For admission to IITs, the candidates must have 90 percentile in JEE Main and also clear JEE Advanced. For admission in government and private engineering colleges except for IIT, NIT and IIITs, the candidate will have to clear the state level engineering entrance exam. Private engineering colleges also offer direct admission without entrance exam on the basis of merit obtained by the candidates in the qualifying exam. Now let us look at the syllabus for BTech Mining Engineering course. The first year syllabus consists of subjects such as professional communication, environmental studies, fundamentals of mechanical engineering, engineering mathematics, fundamentals of electrical engineering, technical communication and engineering drawing. The second year of syllabus consists of subjects such as surveying and map preparation, underground mine environment, mining geology, numerical methods, fluid mechanics, strength of material and rock mechanics. The third year of syllabus consists of subjects such as ground control, surface mining, mineral processing, environmental management in surface mines, mining survey, exploration and field mapping, and mineral deposits. The fourth year syllabus consists of subjects such as mine management, mine planning, industrial training, underground metalliferous mining, mine economics, mineral and natural resource law, and one final project. Now let us look at the various career options and job prospects for the candidate from mining engineering course. Jobs after pursuing BTech in mining engineering are available in government, PSUs as well as private firms. Many enthusiasts also go on to pursue research in this field to explore different ways of mineral and resource extraction. Some of the jobs that are available in this field include assistant mining engineer, mining engineering technician, mining processing engineer, mineral explorer, deputy chief mechanical, mine planner, executive mine manager, technical consultant, drilling engineer, and research engineer. Some of the overseas companies also offer jobs to the students who have pursued mining engineering from IITs, ISM Dhanbad, and other reputed colleges. That's all for today. Thank you. If you have any question regarding the course, you can ask me on the provided link. Also, if you are looking for direct admission in the engineering courses in any state, you can also fill the common application form on the provided link. For more updates on engineering courses and admissions, stay tuned to College Takeover. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.